Mike from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. Trying to get our... We've been doing this lawn in pieces. We had to go on vacation. Then it got rained on, so here we are. We got a little piece here. We'll do that here this morning. And we got a big piece in the front yard. We'll be done with this baby. This is a landscape rake. What do they call this thing? Midwest Rake S550. Probably ordered this from Amazon, I think. Anyway, it's a great tool because it's like 36 inches wide, and you can use it to fill in little divots and stuff. You see that I tilled this up. We shot another video. I tilled this with my little Manus tiller, just enough to scratch it up. Because I already had it pretty well leveled and graded with the tractor, but it got wet, it got hard, so I used the tiller to loosen it up so I could move a little bit of material around. So anyway, this is part of our lawn installation video. You'll find the rest of it. There's a whole big long article about lawn installation, and I'll put a link right there below the video. It's at excuse me, getting a little too old for this, Mike'sBackyardNursery.com. And anyway, I've written a ton of stuff about seed versus hydro seed and so on, so I'll put this video along with one of those articles, so just follow the link at the bottom of this video on YouTube. Mike McGroarty from Mike'sBackyardNursery.com.